This is the video presentation of the Hwacheon High-Tech 250A multi-axis. Right now we have the Sub-Spindle running.
There's a Y-axis.
You gonna do Y?
I am doing Y right now.
Okay.
It's really slow. I don't
You
know
need to turn up the feed or no? Oh, there it goes. There it
There's
goes.
just only so much stroke.
Okay.
I'm gonna wrap it.
Sounds good though. Y-axis. Go ahead. You're doing the turret. This does have a tool presetter. It's got a
Going DI on the sub, the
main spindle. Where you at right now? Go ahead and you want to bump it up a little more.
Going at 1800.
Quiet.
It's 2500.
Go up a little more. All right.
3. 12 hours. You can get that.
Yeah. While you're doing that, I'll walk around. So there's a live tool in the, that's the parts catcher. There are several spindle liners. Got the chip conveyor, which is here. The foot pads for it. All the manuals. And there is an absolute, these are all the shipping brackets, but there is an absolute ton of tooling in here. There's the foot pads. I mean, I can keep going. It's just, this whole crate is absolutely full. I believe we have a full picture and count on the listing, but you got your chip conveyor there. We'll do a quick walk around here. And then we've got the hours pulled up. These are what? Yeah. Very low. Operating time 2,922. Cutting time 1,463. Very low hours on this machine. This concludes the video presentation of the Hwacheon High-Tech 250A.